Hey guys, it's your girl Abby Rose here and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how to get this really dramatic Valentine's Day look. I'm pretty obsessed with how it turned out. Like, the blending is on point, okay? So if you want to know how to get this look, then just keep watching. Hello! So what I've done is I've gone in and primed my skin. I'll list all of the products that I'm using below in the description just to make things a little bit faster in the video. I've also sculpted out my brows because what we're going to do today is we're actually going to go straight in with eyeshadow first, just so we can have a clean cut eyeshadow. Yeah. So we're going to go in with that now. So I'm going to just take my Morphe 350M palette. I think it's like the nature palette or something like that, but we're going to be using a lot of these reddy shades today, so I'm actually going to go in, well, these are the shades that we're going to be using. I swatched them on my hair because I wasn't sure, but you know. And we're actually going to dip into this bottom beautiful rosy red shade here. It's the first one swatched on my arm. We're going to go in with a flat brush and we're going to pick it up on that and pack it into our crease. I've never done this before, so I'm winging it today and I'm scared shitless, but I think it's gonna look cool, so we'll just give it a go. So after we've packed that in, what we're going to do is we're going to go in with the shade here. So this is a lighter red than this one down there. And we're just going to take that on a fluffy brush, tap off the excess and blend that out where we've packed that red shade. So like I said in my previous video, if you haven't gone and watched it, please do, that would be great. But I haven't played with colours in ages, so this is pretty exciting, you know. Like, I am taking a little bit more of that darker red shade on a flat brush and I'm packing it into the crease a little bit more. I just wanted to deepen it up. It's a bit too pinky for me at the moment, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that quick. Blending it out with a fluffy brush. By the way, I've never tried this packing method before, but it is actually so easy. Like, I thought it was going to be hard, but it's not. It's like super easy. It's like way easier than just doing it with a fluffy brush. I should do this more often. So we're still blending out with the fluffy brush, just making sure that everything's all G. So I've just gone and cleaned off my fluffy brush because I want to buff that harsh line out a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that all blended out, and I am loving it, I'm literally feeling it so much. I'm so proud of myself. Like, that blend is so good for me anyway. That's like OPAF. So yeah, we're gonna go in with a brown shade, quite a deep brown shade. This one, it's almost like a black brown. So we're gonna take that on a pencil brush, just pack that in and slowly build this up into the crease. And the outer corner. I always forget to mention that. The outer corner as well. You know what I'm so annoyed about? I don't have like liquid eyeliner. When I moved up here and all my makeup got stolen, like in my first video that I posted, I explained that. It got taken. So I don't know, like, I just haven't gone back like and gotten any yet. Because I don't really use eyeliner on a regular basis. That's like not how I do my thing. I just prefer to do like a more natural look, but I feel like looks like this need eyeliner. Like, they really, really do, and I'm so stupid for not having any. I feel like so dumb for not having any on me. Like, wow. Okay, so now that we have the like blacky brown shade kind of all packed on, we're gonna go in with the fluffy brush. I've cleaned this off again, and we're just gonna blend that really gently into the dark red shade that we've applied, so into the crease. So just blending out that harsh line. So now that we have that all blended out and looking snatched AF. Honestly, I'm so proud of myself, it's so cute. We're gonna go and we're actually gonna cut the crease. Now this is a bit scary for me too, because in the like 5 years of me doing my makeup, I have never successfully cut my crease because I've only tried it 3 times and I've always found it super intimidating. But I'm feeling super creative today, and on this channel we take risks, so we're going to try. So we're gonna do that. Okay, I actually might do this off camera just because I need to concentrate like a lot, so I'll see you in a minute. I actually did it like quite well. I'm quite proud of myself. Wow, this makeup look is just like, yes bitch, we're doing it. Okay, so now that we've cut the crease, I'm gonna go back in with the pencil brush and pack a little bit more of that brown shade onto the outer corner, and I'm gonna blend that into the concealer. So we're still packing. Okay, so now that I've done that eye, I'm gonna go in and just do the other eye off camera quickly and think about whether or not I want to put shimmer on the lid. I'm kind of liking it just like this at the moment, but we will see. So I'll see you in a minute. So I've done the other eye, and I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out, considering this one is always going to be better than that one. I've come to terms with that. Yeah, but so we're going to get into the rest of the face now. I'm still unsure whether or not to put shimmer on, so I'm just going to keep thinking about that while I'm doing the rest of my face. So let's get into it. So now that you're kind of looking like a zombie because I'm a messy eyeshadow applier and I got it everywhere, I'm just going to go in with concealer and put this on the outers of my eyes. This is just gonna, one, help to cut the eyeshadow, and it's also gonna help with it coming through our foundation as well. So we're just gonna blend. I'm literally just gonna take it up to where I want it to go with a concealer brush. So I'm just gonna sculpt it out quick. I'm gonna get up and close and personal with you. Cool, so just like that, and then you just want to take any beauty blender and just blend the rest of that out. Cool, so now we're going to go in with foundation. Okay, so I'm just going to take my buffer brush and blend this throughout my face. So now that we've got that done, again going in with the beauty blender just to buff this all out and get into those hard to get areas as well. Oh my god, so my camera stopped filming. I must have double clicked the button when I went to film. So I've just applied all my contour and I'm just buffing it out with a beauty blender. Okay, so now that we've contoured, we're going to go in with concealer and just sculpt the face out. And we're going to blend that out with a beauty blender. Awesome, so now we're going to go in and bake where we concealed. So while that's baking, we're going to go in and we're going to, I just like to highlight the brows a little bit, like a bone white shade before I go in with the shimmer shade. So we're just going to do that now. So we're taking this shade here, it's called Strange, it's from the Naked 3 palette. And we're just packing that on to a flat brush, tapping off the excess and then just applying it right above our shadow here. So that's also going to clean up any shadow that we've might maybe put too high, like I know I've done it over here. So we're just going to clean that up. Okay, so now that we've baked everything, we're just going to buff it off with any fluffy brush you have. Cool, so now we're going to go in with some bronzer. Now for blush. Cool, so I just set the face with setting spray and now I'm going in with some highlight. So I've just cleaned up my fluffy brush. I know it doesn't look like it, but there's no more product on this. It's just stained. So we're going into the highlight. I'm just going to highlight the bridge of my nose. Sweet. So now that we've done the basis of the face, we're going to go in and we're going to do the under eye shadow. So we're starting off with this shade here on a pencil brush and we're just going to blend that down on the under eye. So I'm just going to take my little mirror. Cool, and then we're going to pick up that darkest red shade that we used and we're going to pop this just over top of what we just applied. Just like that. And then we're going to go in with the darkest brown that we used and pop this as close to the lower lash line as possible. So I'm just going to do the other eye off camera quickly. See. Awesome, so now that we have done the under eyes and you're looking pretty damn fun, we're going to go in and put some shimmer on the inner corner. So to do this, I'm actually going to use my highlight shade, but first I'm just going to spray my brush, my pencil brush. I'm using just a hydrating mist because my Fix Plus ran out yesterday, so just going to give that a spray, and then we're going to dip it in to the highlight and pop this right on the inner corner. We're also just going to take that pencil brush as well and dip it into the highlight and add a bit of shimmer on the brow bone. Okay, so pretty much last but not least, we are going in with a lipstick. So this is the Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Fiery. This is one of my favorite red shades. I am just going to quickly line my lips with a nude lip. I prefer to do this with a red lip liner, but I don't have one. So I'm just doing it with my nude. So I'm just going to do that now. Just like that. And then we're gonna go in with our lipstick. Cool, so I've just gone and put mascara on the bottom lashes, and now I'm actually going to go in with a nude lipstick over top of my red just to kind of cancel out the red a bit, so it matches the eyeshadow a little bit more. So I'm just going to do that now. And I'm just going to take my finger and I'm just going to blend that out. Just like that. And this is the finished look. So I am damn happy with how it turned out, and I hope you guys liked the tutorial. If you did, please give it a massive thumbs up and comment what you guys want to see next. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you're subscribing, please make sure you're hitting the notification bell so you know when I next post my videos. Till next time.